So if I were to go around and type in, let's say for example, in the search bar, type in something like computer right here, then not all images actually show up right here, but the ones which actually has the title in it. So now if I were to go ahead and do that, you can see that if I were to go around, type in computer right here, then only 4 images show up, but one of the images is missing. So now if I were to go ahead and type again, you can see that this image actually shows up, this image shows up, but this one right here. So let's just go around over here and type in computer. Let's say for example, that image does not show up. That is because the file name does not contain computer as a part of it, and then the image details doesn't have it. But what I can actually do is click and then click on edit, and you can actually see like the title is shallow focus photography of MacBook. So I'm just going to go around and say computer right here, just like this, change the title. And now if I were to go around and type in computer, you can see that it is there now because I have changed the title. So similarly, I can go ahead and change around different things like caption as well. So I'm just going to go around and say image of a MacBook right here, just like this. And I can also go ahead and then, let's say for example, add in an alternative text in case the image fails to display. And I can add in a description as well. A picture of a MacBook right here, just like this. I can simply go around and do that and click on done. So now if I were to type in MacBook, let's say for example, then it'll search for that keyword on that particular description and will show that as well. And that is how you can go ahead and add in details in the images inside of wordpress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.